He will have the history of the vehicle and other thing in advance. Job card opening, everything will happen online there. You will see no paperwork, even your signatures will be taken digitally on it. And after you do that, you can just walk in, have a cup of tea in the customer lounge as per your convenience. You can have a look at your vehicle also if you feel so. If you want to get dropped back, we have the system of shuttle services which comes here into the system. My colleague Mr. Vivek will be sharing more in details. That's the journey for the appointed customers. For the unappointed customers also, we have a process which Mr. Vivek will be telling in advance. After the servicing of the vehicle happens, we are continuously giving you a feed actually, which condition the vehicle is there. And if you want to have a live feed also, we can give the live feed. Sitting in your office also, you can see what's happening with your vehicle. And even the billing and the delivery part of it also, we want the billing to be totally done digitally. We will send you the invoice on the mail, you are okay, you sign it, you pay for it, and the vehicle will be delivered. So that's the overall journey of the customer who is going to use the Nexus service. And obviously for the follow back and the feedback also, we're going to have a single point of contact, your service manager. He is going to take care of your all your needs in line with our Nexa sales policy. So I have my two colleagues, Mr. Vivek, he will be taking you to the customer journey, and Mr. Kavalji Singh, he will be taking care of the vehicle journey. So I will now request Vivek to kindly take all my friends to the customer journey.
Okay. So if he is an appointed customer, you can see these are the RFID readers. See these white readers. So they read the tag on the car, which is already on each and every car there is a tag which is an RFID. So this reader reads that RFID signal. Basis that it checks from system whether it is an appointed customer or non-appointed customer. If he is an already booked car, the boom barrier will open automatically. The moment this boom barrier opens automatically, the number or the registration number of the car will get displayed here. So you can see the moment this car came, boom barrier open automatically, and the registration number of the car gets displayed over the page. So this customer will know that yes, this is the area where I am supposed to park my car. Also a signal goes to service manager who is already assigned for him. So he is our service manager. So he is already assigned to a car, to a customer. The moment customer comes in, boom barrier opens, his number gets displayed over the screen, and a service manager is available here to understand his requirement and then provide required services. Now this is again a completely paperless workshop. All the process, all the systems are digitalized. For example, if customer requirements are to be taken, they are to be taken digitally. So if you see, slightly you have to come forward. So these are like this screen wherein he captures all the details about customer. Now this first column again, these are made very simple to capture details of the customer. Then what all he needs to know about customer. You can see the convenience, comfort, and the premiumness of this launch. The best part is that customer can sit over here and watch his vehicle getting serviced over here. Okay, so it is a transparent view wherein he can see his vehicle getting serviced through our trained engineers over there. Also what we have done is that we have developed know it yourself type of videos over here. If you see, these are the panels wherein all the videos are being run with the objective that customer can see how his various technology is using his vehicle, how he can maintain his car so that he gets a comfortable and safe driving his vehicle. These videos are also captured in form of a digital library. So there would be 2 iPads kept over here because these are sequential manner they will be running. But if customer wishes to see any one of them, he can use it and see it. For example, I'll show you one of them. Now this is like automatic turn on light, headlight when the feature which says that automatically headlight will turn off when it is dim light and will get off when the light is faded. So the sole objective of Know It Yourself videos is that customer is aware of whatever technology is there, because if he makes use of this technology, he will appreciate it. Also, he will be more updated on how to use it. So these are the videos which are running over here, similar type of videos plus other maintenance kits also. Apart from that, for the first time in automobile industry, what we are doing is live feed of his car. I'll show you a demonstration of this car. So, can you see this blue car? Ignis. Now in that case, guard will open the boom barrier because there is no signal for his coming, so guard will open a boom barrier. customer will be guided over here. He will wait at this place because this is the receiving area. So these are the service manager desk. Now what we have done is that we have created a walking queue type of a display. So over this screen, so this is not a sequential manner. These are the videos which are running. So two things are there which are for customer information. One is about the shuttle service which I told at the time of journey. So this is a screen which tells that where or at what time our shuttle service will be traveling. Okay, and also it tells us the next shuttle service departure time. So this is for the customer convenience. Any customer who wishes to use the shuttle service, he can contact our business center manager and she can help and guide him to use the shuttle service. Apart from the shuttle service, we also have that walk-in queue screen which will tell that what is the which are the customers who are waiting over here and when is the next service manager going to contact that. So this is the walk-in queue. If you see, any walking customer list will be displayed over here. For example, the screen shows there are 4, 5, 6, 7, this all whatever numbers are coming are the walk-in customers. And next in queue is the number of the name of the customer, 9793 is next in queue customer. So for this next in queue customer, he will be waiting over here. Service manager, once he is free from appointed customer, will approach him and then serve him. Also, while customer is waiting over here or customer lounge, we have complete set of accessories on display wherein he can see the accessories, try to accessorize his car, and an information panel which gives a detailed description of various accessories to.
And then he will tell customer what are the kind of documented repairs are there in the car or what he wants to get it checked. So after this, vehicle will go to the pre-stage of washing. Now we will go over there. Please
But what we are going to do here is stop using stop wash here because we are using new technology which is waterless washing. We are saving a lot of water here in this process. So 50% of conventional water is saved through from the conventional water. Another thing is that this is the waterless washing. This is foam-based washing. Biodegradable. This iron was